Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our exhibition game 50 and plus. This is your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. This is the Interlodge Mason Basketball League. Before we go to the playoffs, this is the exhibition game for all fun and games. Of course, this league was created for the camaraderie, fellowship, and of course, to express our passions within due bounds, of course. We are playing, most of the players here are playing somehow in the tournament. As first basket goes to Omar Hernandez of ALPP with the runner. Santor, jumper from the right side as we are tied. Marvin Manson and Ricky Santor playing together. Later they'll be playing against each other, so that's gonna be interesting. Omar Hernandez, wide open, and Omar Hernandez showing us why ALPP is ranked #1 in Division B, 4-2. Leading the charge, Manzon, directing traffic. Looking at his options, finds Sapitanan. Sapitanan, it bounces off. Dumlao takes care of the loose ball. Fronda, corner against Manzon. No opening as Manzon suffocating defense as he completes the play. Santiago to Yutok. Back to him. It bounces off. Santiago, no look pass to Sapitanan, and Sapitanan ties the ball game up at 4. So this is like an all-star game, no? Dark and white jerseys only, because this is an exhibition game. All for the fun, all for the laughter, all for the exercise, all for the brotherhood. This is what Freemasonry is all about, no? The brotherhood and the fun and commitment and everything else in between. Dumlao, 2-on-1 situation. Alley-oop to Fronda. However, Fronda wasn't able to jump. Maybe 10 years ago, no? Fronda can do that alley-oop. But Fronda can still knock out those 3-point baskets. Sumariñas, put back. And Sumariñas with the score 6-4. Sapitanan. Santor bounces off. With Ricky Santor, one of the leading scorers for Brazen Pillars together with Yutok. As we are tied with 6, no? Akala ko 40 lang si Kuyang Ricky eh. 50 na pala, no? Hindi halata. Thought about it. As he goes for the finger roll for Santiago. He misses. Make sure to warm up, ha? With a traveling violation. Our referees for today, Marcus Reed and Von Davis, no? A little showboating for Rolly versus Rolly Dumlao, no? Sapitanan, all net. Amazing for Sapitanan. Comes up short, Marvin Manzon. Yutok stops and pops. Taking care of the loose ball is Omar Hernandez. Reverse, Sumariñas hits nothing but board. Santor collects the board. Sapitanan, drop pass, reverse, and yes for Yutok. As Kuyang Takashi, Ariel Parunga will call a timeout for the 50 and up dark with 10 minutes left. By the way, no, for those brothers who want to order our Freemason shirt, it's only $35. Limited edition designs. Make sure to give us your sizes for your orders. No?
back to the action. This is the exhibition game, 50 and plus for your Interlodge Mason basketball. The daddies come to play.
Our score is 9-8. The dark 50 and up is up. Oh, so this is the dark and light, no? Dark and white. If you know what I'm talking about, no?
Into the light. Yutuk at the middle. Comes up short. And Adre denies that one. Baseline throw. Sapitanan again. Too strong.
Pina, pedal on the metal, pump fake, pulls back. Pina lets it fly, air ball. Remember to follow our YouTube page, SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube
For more basketball action. Of course, SoCal Ballers, they have different leagues across the board.
Nice!
YouTube, banking it in.
Ayan, basta. Pina, no opening. Uy, nandito na si Brother Harlem Ruiz of Clarence FC. Represent.
Sapitanan, all net. Ay, yung white pala yung may lead, no?
14-10. Adre, wide open, short. With the cut, block by Alabado. Baseline, Albaet. Reverse, no go, no go.
Abueg finds Sapitanan against the double team, and Sapitanan trims the lead, or rather extends the lead.
10. Nakakalito, no? Kasi walang uniform. 16-10, 6-point lead by the dark team. Or rather by the white team, sorry. 16-10.
7 minutes and 45. This is two halves of 15 minutes. Yutuk, pump fake, takes it closer, and Yutuk, that's the lead down to 4, 16, or rather extends the lead 18-10. 8-point lead being enjoyed by 50 and up white. Top of the key, Omar Hernandez, no shooters bounce. 7 minutes and 14. 18-10. Alvado from the elbow. They tap it back. No go. Offline. Adre embracing that board from Solomon's staircase to Pina. Two-man action, and Pina navigating his way, cutting down the lead to 6-18-12. Sapitanan, well, he was able to hit 2 3-point shots a while ago, no? Alvado slicing the defense to Harlem Ruiz, and Ruiz was stopped by Adre, complaining to the refs with a foul, and Omar Hernandez. 2-on-1 situation. Sapitanan lets it fly, and Adre protecting that ball. Substitution.
Si Joby White.
18 to 12. Saison, 5 minutes and 44. Pina. They use the half-court set. At the corner, crossover. Hits all board.
And makes that basket for Santiago. Santiago showing (20-12) is our score with 5 minutes and 7 remaining. Wide open, front rim, gets his own miss, all net. Cutting the lead down to 6, 20-14. Baseball pass, unable to catch it as Abuek throws that turnover. Pina, they have no numbers at the middle, and he makes the basket.
Kuya Ariel, anong name ni 21? Anong name ni 21? BL.
Di rin alam ni Kuya Ariel eh. Santiago. Substitution. Rashi Jovi. Rashi Jovi, kamusta? Rashi Jovi. Rashi. Manzon, YouTube, catch and shoot. 16-22, 6-point lead being enjoyed. Substitution. Rashi Jovi in the ball game. Rashi Jovi Rivera. We are honored at their presence, no? 16-22 is one of the moments, no? The crowd loving Rashi Jovi Rivera's presence here. Pump fake. Sumariñas with a hand on his face still manages to make that basket. 18-22. Marvin Manzon, Santor, and Santor makes that basket. 24-18, back to a 6-point lead with less than 3 minutes remaining here in the first half. Dumlao at the middle, Fronda throws it away. Sumariñas, they get the offensive board. Too strong. Fronda, Pina at the middle. Saison launches. Sapitanan. Jovi Rivera against Saison. Down on the floor. And Santiago with a 3-point basket. 27-18. 2 minutes remaining here. Pina left wide open, all day to shoot. Sapitanan, transition offense. Jovi Rivera goes for the layup. The crowd cheering on him. Fronda answers right back on the other end. Pina with the steal. And 21-27, back-to-back baskets by the dark team. Sapitanan, corner pocket. Rivera bumping and grinding, fade away. Comes up short. 1 minute and 18. Fronda attacking the lane. Edsel Fronda with a drive-through. Rivera thought about it. Santor, it bounces off. Behind the back passing, Santiago from the elbow. Too strong on that one. 48 seconds left.
Fronda, Sumarinas, down by 3. Can they close the gap? And he did, cutting the lead down to 127 to 26. 33 seconds left.
Cross court. Santiago. Quick passing. And the recipient was Ricky Santor.
29 to 26 with 10 seconds left. Pulls the trigger for
Edsel Fronda. And at the end of the first half, we are tied at 29 apiece. 50 plus and black making a comeback
against 50 plus white. We'll be right back for the second half. This is the second half action of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. You are watching the exhibition game of the 50 and up teams, white and black. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. As we go straight back into the action, we are tied at 29 apiece. Sapitanan looking at a 2-3 zone. Abueg, almost a steal. Sapitanan takes it closer. Rebound taken away by the black team. Or the dark team. Pina, because I cannot say dark team only, no? Or black team because there are people wearing yellow. You have to remove your, you have to deposit your jewelry, no? Deposit all minerals and metals. Trying to cross that timeline. Abueg, high-low, pump fake, creating some space for YouTube. Naku po, huwag ka may injury, Kuyang Rico. Kailangan ko pa namin sa next game.
.13 minutes and 39, opening minutes of the second half. Omar Hernandez, all net. As they grab the lead, 31 to 29.
Almost a steal. Ayun, nandito si Brother Win, no? Brother Win Apaw, shout out. Corner, you'll be needed later for sure. And traveling violation. Ano, Brother Win, ano masasabi mo kay Brother Harlan? Kay manager, ayos na ayos, oh. So this is 49, pump fake. With the runner and gets the shooter's bounce for Pido Santiago. We are tied at 31.
Slicing the defense is Omar Hernandez, and he will be fouled. Fronda, it bounces off.
Santiago to Sapitanan, challenging the defense of Pina. Unable to make that ball crawl in.
Sumarinas finds that open man underneath the basket with the reverse. We are tied at 31. Less than 12 minutes left here.
Shout out to the Brazen Pillars team, no? Shout out Brazen Pillars. Team Captain Eric Yalo.
Dark team, can they get the lead here? We shall find out. Hernandez finds Pina. Wide open for Pina. Rebound taken away by Alabado. Alabado steps on the gas. Sapitanan fires away. And Pina taking it down. Well, he was wide open for Sapitanan. He was able to hit some 3-point baskets a while ago. Anticipated by Abueg. Sapitanan, one-on-one. Sapitanan with that adjusting in midair. Ricky Santor. Are you okay, Brother Rico YouTube? Kuya Rico, okay ka lang? Naku po. Abueg makes the basket substitution. Albaet in the ballgame. And while he's making the free throw, this is the best time for us to thank our sponsors, for our generous sponsors. JD Reyes. We have Sriracha Philippines. We have some samples here. Abundant Life Home Care Services. Ivy Hospice Care. St. Grace Home Health. Milky Way Brands Clothing. And Farmers Insurance as we go back to the action. Of course, if you want to order our limited edition Freemason shirts and Harlem Ruiz with that emphatic block, no? But if you want to order our Freemason shirts, $35 only. And making his presence felt there in the interior as we are tied here at 33. So make sure to give your sizes for the Freemason shirt to our Commissioner Derek Valdez. All board from Rivera. Sapitanan, short stab jumper. As the 50 and up white team grabs the lead, 35 to 33. Hernandez, the defense trying to lock him down. Substitution, Dumlao in the ball game for Pina, Fabian Pina. Using his speed and quickness, but Omar Hernandez was there to pick up the trash. Tied at 35 apiece. Sapitanan trying to escape the clutches of the defense. And Ricky Santor showing us his offensive prowess. Ireserva mo ko yung Ricky, kailangan mo yan mamaya. 37 to 35. Comes up short, they tap it away. Harlem Ruiz, worshipful. Joby Rivera wide open, short, and the steal from behind. Foul because substitution. Well, that's white team, that's white team. Kuyang, ano name mo ulit? Alain De Leon. Ayan, De Leon.
Stop yan.
And they're not yet in the penalty for the white team. Santor, in and out. Thought about it. Omar Hernandez, front rim, gets his own miss. Goes hard to the basket. Taken away, Sapitana. Joby Rivera uses the board for Joby Rivera, and the crowd loving that shot for Joby Rivera. Pump fake. Marvin Manson directing traffic, strategizing. Santor battles for the loose ball. It will go to Saison. Saison. Almost a steal from Manzon, but Saison doing a good job to protect that ball. Sumariñas. No go. Omar Hernandez. And Omar Hernandez gets the shooter's bounce. 39 to 37. Sapitanan pulls the trigger,
And Sapitanan knocks it down. 42 to 37. Dumlao. Cross court, Saison. Corner. No opening for Hernandez. They go at the post, turns around for Dumlao. Manzon. Joby Rivera all alone. Pump fake. And he misses for Joby Rivera. 6 minutes and 10 remaining. Hernandez hits board. Sumariñas, Dumlao, drop pass. Scramble for the loose ball. Animosity on the floor. Manzon prevailing on that sequence. No look pass. Rivera to Santor. Still nothing. Two-man game between Santor and Rivera, and Santor makes that basket. Timeout for the dark team with 5 minutes left.
Ano, kaya pa? Galit si team captain dyan sa'yo.
Back to the ball game. 50 and up. White is up 44 to 37. Omar Hernandez, top of the key. Offline. Pina. Active hands. Elbow. Fabian Pina cutting the lead down to 5, 44 to 39.
Rico Yutok blocked by Sumariñas. Perfect timing from Lou Sumariñas. Manzon finds the cutter. Rico Yutok, baseline drive. And Rico Yutok. Less than 5 minutes left.
Omar Hernandez against Manzon. Runner. An easy basket for Omar Hernandez, making it look so smooth with that dribble drive.
Rico Yutok with a bump falls down on the floor. Substitution. Bodies on the floor between Sumariñas and Rico Yutok. Baseline. Rico Yutok, corner pocket, takes it closer. Bounces off. It will remain with 50 and up White, who is up by 4 or 5, 46 to 41. Santiago, Sapitanan, put back, second serving. It will go to the team dark. By the way, now we have a limited edition Freemason shirts here. If you want to order, please talk to Brother Derek Valdez, our commissioner. And of course, if you want to give your sizes to me, I will list it down and you can order directly to Brother Derek Valdez. As we go back into the action, Sapitanan, 2-on-1 situation. Alabado with the finger roll, weaver or fade away for Sapitanan.
Fronda uses the screen. Santiago stuck in traffic. Baseball pass.
Abueg or Alabado, and the baseball pass coming from Abueg, no, but Alabado was the recipient. 48 to 41, 7-point lead by 50 and up White.
In and out dribbling. Hernandez, elbow jumper. And protecting that ball is Santiago.
Abueg slows it down with 2 minutes and 55 remaining.
Fronda able to escape the clutches of the defense. Omar Hernandez against the double team, creating some space.
YouTube.
From behind is Omar Hernandez with 2 minutes and 30. Hernandez with a challenge from Abuel.
50 and up white will call a timeout.
And after the timeout, with less than 3 minutes left here, 50 and up white, enjoying a 7-point lead. Sapitanan being challenged by De Leon, and the pass was too strong to Santiago. And we go to the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by our sriracha sauce from the Philippines, courtesy of JD Reyes, no? 1 minute and 46. And they need to slow things down here to cruise away with the victory. They tap it back. Runner from Santiago, back ring. Harlem Ruiz with the offensive board. 1 minute and 20. And foul will be called against Fabian. 1 minute and 12. Rivera back in the ball game. Sapitanan holding on to that leather. 50, able to get the quick first step. Rivera, no good. And it will go to the 50 and up black. They are down by 7. Let's see if they can make a run here. 7. De Leon finds Omar Hernandez. However, that was offline. 33 seconds left. Sapitanan trying to save that leather.
YouTube using the clock on his side. Rivera with a jumper, comes up short. Ruiz blocked by Omar Hernandez with 14 seconds left or 15 seconds left. It will remain with the 50 and up white. YouTube takes the trifecta and puts on the nail in the coffin. And that's the end.
Timeout, White!
And that's the end of our exhibition game. 50 and up white winning by 9 points, 50 to 41. Behind Sapitanan and Santiago. And we'll be right back for the third game of the playoffs.